donc le patron de cette équipe, qui sera également face à Lucas Samba. Est-ce que Victorine Fomum, c'est pas un duel d'honneur aussi entre ces deux présidents?
Le public venu les accompagner cet après-midi.
And for most football points, it's just a reminder about past clashes between Yaoundé 2 and first 4 minutes of the match for the team. As Yaoundé 2 football team keeps on mounting pressure with this corner kick, and it's going to be an opportunity for goalkeeper.
Attention, il est passé.
Beautiful cross!
Fou qui s'illustre de fort belle manière dans cette rencontre. En tout cas, sa prestation jusqu'ici. Il ne passe pas à la bagarre. Il n'arrive pas à tirer son épingle du jeu sur ce coup-là. Baldwin
can talk to his defenders, reposition them, and he plays with for Elite 1. And it's going to be a free kick for Eden Football Club. A long kick of the ball, and it goes into the waiting hands of goalkeeper Yemge. Time for him to let his players position themselves. Some 29 minutes into the first half of this match, as the Yaoundé 2 football team still anxiously wait for this afternoon. A long kick of the ball.
La frappe, balle bord de la Lequier. On attend la décision.
An opportunity there for Eddie. Goalkeeper Netiani Yemge there. 41 minutes, 28 secondes
de Yaoundé. Ancien ramasseur de balles, ici même au stade militaire de Yaoundé, qui a opéré quelques réajustements après sa montée en première division.
Goalkeeper for this team.
Il est venu se ressourcer et ce n'est pas mauvais, Baldwin.
That is it.
On a vu Clarence Bitan orienter les garçons des Team Sport de la Lequier. Oui, Pierre Bembe.
Meillon Eton Alfred, numéro 23, il va remplacer ainsi le numéro. C'est poste pour poste.
Merci.
An attacker moving in.
Et c'est deux remplacements qui vont être effectués ici.
Telling signs of Eddie's determination to score goals this afternoon. And it's going to be a free kick for Eden Football Club. We see two players there, and certainly Jeff Ngongang is going to be the one, or rather Mayor Poupol and Stéphane.
De tous les combats.
And he's the one who led his team through a successful campaign through the interpools that permitted them to pick their qualification for Elite 2, Pierre Makani.
Tout à fait. Il a participé à la montée en première division. C'est un meuble dans cette équipe FC Yaoundé 2 formation.
The boys of Eden Football Club still to find their way, find their feet in the second half of this match. They were being led by the Yaoundé 2 football team.
Joel Baemi. Ah, Ivan Samod les doigts.
Opportunities like this don't come twice. They come once. And you fail to concretize them, you certainly regret at the end of the day.
Et le renforcement qui se confirme, Jean Chavadet. Le poteau sortant.
Une autre occasion nette de but vendangé ainsi.
Il est chanceux. Nathan Grégoire Atanganam Ganji en conversation avec l'un de ses poulains. Il souhaite certainement injecter du sang neuf dans cette équipe qui domine pour
13 minutes to go. And as the coach of the Yaoundé 2 football team looks at his watch, begging the gods for another defeat.
We are equally going to have the third and final substitution on the side of Yafoot. It's going to be jersey number 10, Victor Zenomo.
C'est leur 3 remplacements qui en font fait.